Hello everyone, today we're reading Rain or Shine. Lift the flaps for Snip and Snap by Diane and Christian Fox. Meet Snip and Snap who look the same, identical in all but name. Let's plan a sunny picnic treat with all the food they like to eat. The basket's packed, Snip's dressed to go, but at the door he cries, "Oh no!" Poor Snip will have to think again. Snap is splashing in the rain. Snip fetches both his stripy boots, umbrella, and his rainproof suit. He steps outside but doesn't know that now it has begun to snow. So back inside, Snip quickly goes to find his snowy weather clothes. But once outside, there is no snow. And now the winds begun to blow. Snip runs inside to fetch his kite. This time he's sure he's got it right. But once again, he's just too late. It's icy and Snap loves to skate. Snip rushes to put on his skates and wobbles out to where Snap waits. The ice has gone. But now, outside, it's foggy, and Snap loves to hide. "Oh, I give up," Snip says to Snap. "I think I'll go and have a nap." "Don't do that," Snap says to Snip. "What about our picnic trip?" Snip says, "How can we play together? I can't guess the kind of weather." "Oh, Snip," says Snap, "you are so funny. Don't you know? It's bright and sunny." Wow. So Snip and Snap at last together both enjoy the sunny weather and munch their favorite picnic treat with all the food they like to eat. Munch, munch. Rain or shine. Hope you enjoy it.